I will show you how to draw beautiful yin yang symbol using simple geometric construction. Just follow the steps carefully and you'll be able to draw it perfectly.
Draw a vertical line in the center of your paper. Keep the compass at any convenient radius. Now identify the midpoint of this vertical line. Draw 3 arcs above the center and 3 arcs below the center. These arcs are equally spaced and will serve as our construction guidelines. Next, look at the third arc above the center. Place a compass pointer on that point and draw a small circle. Repeat the same process on the third arc below the center, drawing another small circle of exact same size. Now set a compass width equal to the diameter of the small circle. Then place the compass pointer on the outer boundary of the small circle and draw an arc. Repeat the same process on the opposite side.
After that, measure the distance from this outer arc to the center point on the vertical line. Using this measurement, place the compass at the center of the paper and draw the large outer circle. This will form the boundary of a yin-yang symbol. Now comes the most important step. Measure the distance from the center of the large circle to the center of the upper small circle. Set the compass to this distance. Place the compass pointer at the center of the upper small circle and draw a semicircle that touches the outer boundary of the large circle. Repeat the same process for the lower small circle. Place the compass pointer at its center and draw another semicircle joining the opposite side of the large circle. These two smooth curves together create the beautiful flowing S-shaped division of the yin-yang symbol. Once you're satisfied with the construction, darken the final outline and gently erase all the extra construction arcs and guidelines. Finally, color one half of the symbol while leaving the other half white. Leave the small circle inside the colored half white and color the small circle inside the white half. This completes the classic yin-yang design.
Now it's time to color the yin-yang symbol. I'm using a purple color to fill one half of the design while leaving the other half white. Color carefully within the outline to give it a neat and clean finish. Did you know it is an ancient Chinese symbol that represents balance and harmony between opposite but complementary forces? The dark side known as yin represents calmness, night, the feminine nature, the moon and rest. The light side known as yang represents activity, daytime, the masculine nature, the sun and energy. The two small dots symbolizes that each side contains a part of the other, showing that nothing is completely yin or completely yang. The flowing curved line between the two halves represents the continuous balance and harmony between these opposite yet complementary forces. Before we finish, here are some interesting facts about the yin-yang symbol. The yin-yang symbol is over 2000 years old and comes from ancient Chinese philosophy. It represents the idea that opposite forces are connected and cannot exist without each other. Day and sunlight, light and darkness, hot and cold, and happiness and sadness are all examples of yin and yang. The small dot inside each half reminds us that every opposite contains a little of other. This symbol teaches us that balance is the key to a peaceful and healthy life. Even today, the yin-yang symbol is widely used in art, meditation, martial arts, and traditional Chinese culture as a symbol of harmony and unity.
The two flowing halves of the symbol show that life is always changing and that balance is constantly shifting. The small dot in each half reminds us that nothing is completely yin or completely yang. Even in darkness, there is always a little light, and even in light, there is a little darkness. This teaches us that every situation has both positive and negative aspects. The Yin Yang symbol is widely used in Chinese philosophy, traditional medicine, martial arts, meditation, and feng shui. It encourages people to live in harmony with nature and to maintain balance in their thoughts, emotions, work, and daily life. Even today, this ancient symbol continues to inspire millions of people around the world with its simple yet powerful message that true peace and happiness come from living a balanced life. And that's it. Our beautiful yin yang symbol is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step geometry drawing tutorial and found it easy to follow. The yin yang symbol is not just a beautiful design, it is also reminds us of the importance of balance, harmony and unity in our everyday life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more geometry drawings, school projects, science experiments and creative DIY ideas. If you have any suggestions or topics you'd like me to cover in my next video, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, keep learning, keep creating and stay inspired. Goodbye.